Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sunny here with Chasin Flavors, and I have such a treat tonight. We are doing my garlicky butter lobster tails, and I can't wait. Let's go. So yeah guys, these lobster tails are absolutely beautiful. I bought these lobster tails from the fish market, and they are super big, super juicy. You're going to take your shears and you're going to begin cutting your lobster tails open. These shears are actually seafood shears. I actually have seafood shears. They're a little bit tougher than the shears that come in your normal cutlery set. So you're going to, with these shears, they actually cut right down to the meat. Then you can use your fingers, and you can start using your fingers to pry away the meat from the shell. That'll make it easier for you to pull the lobster out of the shell. The bigger the lobster tail, sometimes the tougher it is to pull the meat away. And let me tell you something, these lobster tails are tough. Okay, they are tough. So, but it makes me more excited to eat them because they are so tough. So I'm like, oh, this meat gonna be good. So you get them out, you pull them away from the lobster tail, and like I said, you just wanna keep trying to, with as many as you have, you just do it for each lobster tail that you have. You just start wiggling it out of the shell, pry it away, and then you can sit that meat right on top of that shell and open up the end and butterfly your lobster tail. Take a paring knife, a chef knife, and finish cutting down the center. Sometimes the shears cut it and sometimes it doesn't. So you just want to continue cutting it down the center and opening up your meat, and then opening up the back. And then place it on your sheet pan that's lined with aluminum foil. Set it aside. What I like to do also is I like to start building my seasoning and then mixing it on. That way it's an even coating when I apply it to the meat. So what I have right now is I have my dry parsley, I have salt, I have garlic powder. I just added in some Cajun seasoning. Now I'm going to add in some Old-Bay seasoning, and then I'm going to add in some onion powder. And then I'm going to give it a quick whisk around. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some olive oil and brush it on the tops of my lobster meat, because the olive oil is going to give it a nice base. It's going to give it a nice juicy flavor, keep it nice and moist, and it's easy for the seasonings to stick when you have the oil base on there. So as you add on your seasonings, make sure you get all in the creases and the crevices of that lobster meat, child. Make sure you get it all over, rub it around, a nice thick coating of it, because we want some nice flavorful, we chasing flavors, right? So then we want to add our fresh parsley, fresh garlic. We're going to mince it up, and we want to start creating our sauce. So we're going to add our butter to this pan. Get us a nice pan, add our butter to the pan, let that melt. Once that melts, we're going to add in our chopped minced garlic. And then we want to give that a quick little stir around. And then we're going to add in some fresh lemon juice. Yes, get that lemon juice in there. Nice add to flavor. Then we want to add in our fresh parsley that we minced. Give it some nice color, flavor, mix that around, smelling so good. And now it's ready. 10 minutes on bake, 5 minutes on broil. We have our lobster tails. Thank you for joining me tonight in my channel. Everything will be in the information section. Until next time, thank you for chasing flavors with me.